Welcome back again. In the previous video we have explained how to create like this form and make a validation and just add the snack bar, show snack bar and everything. Now I need just to add some style here. So it's also important to add style to the text form and the button, for example. So here in the text form I can add decoration, like the decoration of the container. The decoration, if you press Ctrl and tab, you can see it is input decoration. So we need input decoration and open it. Now what we have inside it. First thing, I need to add border. So here we have border, or you can say border is just a general border. But we can say here focus border, which means when you click on it, we need to add the border. Or we have another thing, it's enabled border. So it will be the border. So for example, I add enabled border. The enabled border has outline input border. So I can add a border radio here. So border radius. Border radius, the type is border radius like this, or border radius dot circular here. And here I can add 20, for example. So now if I just reload, should add a border, and the border should be like this, as you can see. But now if I click on it, there is no border, just a border here in this way here, enabled border. When we enable, so I need to add also border, or also I need to add another thing here, side or border side. Yes, border side. In the border side we have a class border side. Also inside border side I can add color. For example, the color of the border will be pink. Also colors dot pink here. So I can add it. I can add width, like for example 3, the width of the border. So if I like reload again, you can see it will be something like that. It will be like this. Yes, here of course there's no padding. We need to add like some padding if you want. So I can just add a padding around this. So we can just double click here and here with padding. So automatically add padding. If we run, as you can see, we have some padding here, or I can just make the padding 16 here and it will become a little bit better. Yes, that's perfect. Also in the text form, we have the, as I told you, decoration. We have enabled border. This enabled border, we can just copy and paste it. And we can add also just a border here. Not enabled border, but just border here. So this like a border. So always you need to see the same thing. If we click here. Now if we click, you cannot see that. So we can add also another copy. Just copy. Here enabled, I can make it focus border. You can make it different, of course. So focus, now when you focus on it, we need also to be the same thing here. So now even if I focus, it will be in the same way. So that's perfect. So we can add enable border, that's just a border and then focus border. Also with the text field, we have icon, with the decoration here, input decoration, we have borders and we have here icon. And icon will be icon widget. Inside it, icons dot something. So for example, I need like this. Size will be like 40, and the color will be like colors dot pink also. So now if we like run, so you can see we have a text. I need also a label text here. The label text is just, if you just click on it, you can see it is just a string. So I can say here like right here. So run, you can see this the label. We can add a style to the label text. So label text style, it will be text style, and I can change the color to make it colors dot pink also dot pink. So now it will be perfect pink also. I can add hint here, some hint text. So you can say here hint text, and you can, for example, write your name here. So hint text will be inside. So if I run again or reload, write here something. So this is the hint text. Write your name here. So this the most important thing, so you can change it as you want. Also, same thing with the elevation button. Here in the elevation button also we have a style. In the style we have like a button style. In the button style, if you just click here, you can see we have many things like background color, like many things. So for example, I can add the background color. So background color is from where if you just press Ctrl and Tab, you can see material state properties. So here, material state property dot all. So here I need the color, so I can say colors dot pink also. So now the background color will become pink for the button. That's perfect. Also here I can add like some padding, and also same thing from material state property dot all, and here edge inset dot all also like others, and I can add like 20 for example, so it become bigger, or I can make it like 15 as you like, of course. So I just make it in this way. So now we have added some style also to the text. So this is the code for this application. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.